I'm Jayaraman, representing Karna Corporate Associates. So we are into building the employability among the students. Now we are in RVS Arts and Science College.
It was really a great experience. They took it in a very enthusiastic way.
We had 3 days program.
And on the first day, we learned how to hunt a career for an individual.
Second day வந்து எப்படி ரெஸ்யூம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க.
Third day, we have a proper interview session with recruiters.
This program is a holistic program. We train them on how to set up their career. So giving them personal reflections.
And we had many activities.
ஒரு பாக்ஸில் ஒரு சின்ன பாக்ஸில் ஃபுல்லாக ஜம்பிள் லெட்டர்ஸ் வேர் வி காட் டு நோ ஹவு டு மேனேஜ் டைம், எப்படி டைம் மேனேஜ் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு.
அவங்க கொடுக்க கீவேர்ட்ஸை வச்சு நாங்கள் ஒரு வேர்ட்ஸை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம், ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம். அப்படி நாங்கள் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃபார்ம் போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் சொல்லும்போது என்ன பண்ணுறதுனே தெரியாமல் இருந்துச்சு.
The students get to identify their strengths, their weaknesses, and we do a couple of psychometric assessments, and the students get a better clarity of where they stand.
We had an activity carrying a ball with the help of a rope. So we shouldn't make the ball fall down. We walk and we should come back to the starting position. So that was also a teamwork. We learned how to balance each one's capacity accordingly.
And in the second activity, we actually learned about how to be in a teamwork with handling with silence, and we have to not talk in that activity. So there were numbers spread into the floor. We have to choose chronological order from 1 to 10. Likewise, we have to step on that number from each person. So that was a teamwork, and we enjoyed and experienced that with wholeheartedly.
Introduce them to the corporate atmosphere, and we give them an insight about the corporate culture, what the corporate expects from a employee.
So the third day was a mock interview. It was actually same like a real interview.
What are the procedures, what we have to avoid, and what we have to actually tell about us. So that was the part of interview.
It gives us a lots of support to attend the main interview without any fear.
And the transformation which we are seeing inside the students is absolutely fantastic, and these guys are very sincere in the learning mode. So we had a wonderful experience with this batch. Thank you very much.
Thank you for RVS to give such an opportunity to MBA students.
Thank you.
Thank you.